The immune system and immune memory. The immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to defend the body against pathogens. Pathogens are organized into diverse groups including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Bacteria are living single-celled organisms that can reproduce on their own. Viruses aren't truly alive, they must infect a host cell to multiply, and fungi are more complex organisms, either single or multi-celled, that grow by absorbing nutrients and can cause infections like yeast or mold. When these pathogens enter your body, your immune cells rapidly identify it as foreign, using its specialized receptors on the cell's surface. This recognition triggers an immune response, starting with the innate immune system, followed by the adaptive immune system, which builds a precise and targeted defense. B cells are a part of the adaptive immune system. They produce Y-shaped proteins called antibodies that bind to antigens and neutralize the pathogen. T cells play a supporting role. They are split into two groups, called helper T cells and cytotoxic T cells. Helper T cells coordinate the immune attack, while cytotoxic T cells destroy the infected body cells. After the infection clears, most of the immune cells die, however a small population remains. These are called memory cells, and they give the immune system the ability to recognize the invaders. When a pathogen first enters the body, it begins to multiply and spread before the immune system can fully respond. The innate immune system reacts first. Cells like macrophages and neutrophils attempt to contain the infection and signal for reinforcements. As the adaptive immune system is activated, B cells begin producing antibodies specifically designed to bind to the pathogen's antigens. Over time, the immune response clears the infection. Most immune cells die off, but a few specialized cells remain behind as memory cells, ready to respond faster in the future. Immune memory refers to the immune system's ability to recognize and respond more effectively to a pathogen it has encountered before. Memory B cells remember the structure of a pathogen's antigens and can quickly produce large amounts of antibodies during a second exposure. Memory T cells also play a crucial role. They recognize infected cells and signal other immune cells to destroy them. This memory ensures that when the same pathogen appears again, the immune system mounts a faster and stronger defense, often preventing illness altogether. Vaccines take advantage of this natural process by safely exposing the immune system to harmless parts of a pathogen, such as an inactivated virus, protein subunit, or a piece of genetic code. The body reacts as though it has been infected, activating B and T cells and triggering antibody production. Once the immune response subsides, memory cells remain in the body, storing information about the pathogen without the person ever having to experience the disease itself. Later, if the real pathogen enters the body, memory cells recognize it almost instantly. Antibodies are produced rapidly, neutralizing the invader before it can cause symptoms. This is why vaccinated individuals often experience only mild illness, or none at all, when exposed to diseases they've been immunized against. Over time, immune memory can weaken, which is why booster shots are sometimes needed to remind the immune system and strengthen protection. Immune memory is the foundation of long-term protection against disease. Some examples include chickenpox, influenza, tetanus, hepatitis A and B, human papillomavirus, and COVID-19. Vaccines work by preparing the immune system in advance, giving our bodies the ability to recognize and fight viruses quickly and effectively. This protection not only reduces illness for individuals, but also helps safeguard entire communities. With immune memory on our side, vaccines remain one of the most reliable ways to prevent disease.